Hey guys, it's PokeFunk, back with another video. It's the Seven-Fingered Man along with...
The Gravenator!
Okay, you can't yell the Gravenator at the microphone's here.
I realize that.
Okay, alright, so we got a Mystery Monday for you guys. Bring them in. It's a special one for you guys. Watch the drink. These are Wonder Ball Plug Prize. I don't know what that exactly means. Are they? Oh, okay. So like little plugs. Surprise pup inside. Which one will you get? I don't know anything about this show. They were just really cheap, so we bought, well, 7 of them.
He did.
No, we did collectively. We thought hard and deep about getting these.
No, I said it was stupid.
Okay, wait. Keep going. You're almost there.
What?
Okay, so we got this dog sticker and a police dog sticker. There's no name. It's made in China. So we got some stickers. I guess there's something inside here. Do I squeeze it? Oh, they're like weird. Is this like suction cup? Oh, it's a suction cup. That is kind of creepy.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, so we're gonna put this one right here. Alright, oh.
It's like a door stopper.
There's stuff in here?
It's a chocolate ball.
With...
It's got candies in it.
Oh.
It's the candies on the back. See?
Oh. Okay. Well, here. You don't even have to smash it. You want some chocolate? Here you go. Alright, so we got strawberry. So we're gonna put the candy in this little pile. More. The chocolate has a weird flavor.
Yeah, it has a weird aftertaste.
No, it's because the candy was in it and left a bunch of dust. So it was like a weird, like...
It does. It tastes like strawberry.
Yeah, that's a... interesting... Huh.
Give me one of the strawberry thing.
Alright. So... it's got the same dog as that, I think. So, Gravy's gonna be our resident chocolate or candy eater person.
You taste dummy?
Yeah, you gotta scoot into the microphone's over here, bud.
I guess I'll be the taste dummy.
Alright, so keep going. Oh, we got more stickers. We got police dog and firefighter dog. I'm gonna call him Franklin and Larry.
Spot.
Nope, that's Franklin.
No, I think its name is Spot.
It might be, but I feel like his name should be Franklin. Alright, what? These things are little. Alright, so we got Larry, the police dog. Alright, so I have to apologize. If you know things about this show and we are using the wrong names, I'm sorry. I've seen the show maybe once, and it was while I was at the gym, because my college, for some reason, thinks that college students want to watch Paw Patrol. Which, some probably do, but I feel like it's the minority. So what type of candy did we get today? Oh, how was the strawberry, Gravy?
It was okay.
Oh, just okay? Okay.
Yeah, I don't want that one. I think that's an apple.
Yeah, it's green apple.
I don't want apple.
Well, here, have the chocolate.
I need another piece of chocolate.
You need more chocolate.
Did you eat the other half?
I did!
You fatty.
It was interesting. Alright.
I told you this was a bad idea.
Great idea. The masses are loving it. Alright. Oh.
I think that one's name is Dozer.
Dover?
Dozer.
Alright, so we got a Francisca and lemon wedge. Oh. Alright, so...
Apple, not good.
No, the chocolate's weird, man. Alright, so we got, Francisca. Okay, these are actually really cool. I like these. Oh, goodness. Alright. Oh. Alright, no more chocolate for me.
Me either.
I do not like the weird... Alright, so we got...
Oh, looks like lemon.
No, it's like a pink. Alright, so it's mango, strawberry, blue raspberry, green apple. So this probably is strawberry.
No, that's gonna be mango.
Nope, strawberry. Maybe. Yeah. Oh. You want some more chocolate?
Nope.
Alright, see, as you guys can see, there's like powder inside from the candy. And it gives the chocolate a interesting flavor, to say the least.
Here, give me the...
Here, no, we'll clean it up after the video. No worries, bud. Ah.
Get the chocolate out the way so it doesn't melt.
No, it's not hot enough in here. I don't think. As long as you don't do a boogie behind me.
A what?
A boogie. So we got, you said this one's Dover?
Dozer.
Dozer. And this one is Franklin.
No,
Franklin.
That's Spot.
Spot? Okay, can you look up the names of the dogs for me?
My phone's in the other room.
Oh, we got another Hector. Oh, it's just Larry. Okay. I would not recommend this for any adult. This is not quality chocolate. This is definitely just chocolate. I think we got this one already. We did.
We did.
This is pretty much just chocolate.
It tastes
so
like dollar store chocolate.
it's just chocolate, so they can sell this in the candy aisle to children. Oh, we got Spot. Boop.
No, you said it's Franklin.
You said it was Spot though.
I think so. I don't know.
I don't know either, man. I'm not liking this chocolate. Oh, we got blue raspberry. So the candies inside aren't bad. They're not bad. Oh, okay. Blue raspberry is really sour. Oh. Ooh.
I don't want that one.
That is interesting flavor. Oh. And more strawberry. Oh, this. I don't even know which one's open. I'm a little disoriented from this weird chocolate candy. This is like a big sugar party. People do not get these for your kids, or do. I mean, if you're the parent, you do what you want. Just if they want chocolate and not the candy, go get them like a Hershey's bar. It's probably cheaper.
Oh my god, we weren't even close.
What are the names? Oh, more blue raspberry. I don't want that.
Turbot is the one with the yellow, the bulldog.
That's Turbot. Okay, Turbot. Then what's the?
Wait, hold on. Rubble is that one.
This one?
Yeah, Rubble.
Rubble. Okay, who's this guy?
I'm trying to find it.
Or
I'm gonna.
all right. You know, you just look up Paw Patrol characters, right?
That's what I did.
Are there a ton of them? Ugh.
Paw Patrol.
Oh, there's more stuff at the bottom of this. Sticker we already have. Husky dude. No, I shouldn't have ate that.
Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Marshall is the fire dog.
Okay, so Marshall.
Chase is the police dog.
Okay, Chase is this. This one's Chase.
Sky is the girl.
Uh,
The pink one.
this one.
Yeah.
Sky. Okay.
And
I need the Husky.
the husky is Everest.
Everest.
Yep.
And then, okay, cool. I'm gonna forget that in like 10 seconds. Ah, it smells like weird chocolate. Ah.
How many more do you got?
I think this is the last one. I hope it's the last one. We got no mangoes.
No mangoes. Oh no.
Wait, if I drop this, does it break? Ready?
I don't know.
Oh, that's sturdy.
Can I try to headbutt it?
I mean, that's gonna break. Alright, I gotta get to the bottom of this one. Alright.
Then we get a new one.
No! No, we can't. Alright, guys.
Marshall.
Got, so, the verdict of this one, unless your kid wants the actual, like, stuff, chocolate-wise and candy-wise, kinda low-tier chocolate, mid-tier candy, like sugar things, just hope your kid doesn't get the blue raspberry. That one's not good. It's not very good. But yeah, it is what it is. Alright, well, if you guys liked us opening kind of, non-Funko related stuff, weird stuff, let us know. I'm sure we can find other, like, crappy candy, children's toys stuff that I'm sure we can open for not that expensive. So if you guys like this type of video, no promises that we'll eat it all. Obviously, I think we would die if we ate all this. It's a little on the pure sugar side. But if you do like these type of videos, let us know. We can probably get some more for a decent amount.
We don't need any more.
Well, I mean, not this in particular. We don't need another video of this. But if you like this type of stuff, like not collectibles, I mean, these might
We don't need chocolate.
be collectibles. But, that actually looks weird on camera.
It does. It reminds me of a door thing.
Yeah.
Like on the back of the old doors, the metal things that you kick. You know what I'm talking about?
I think I have one in my bathroom. I might. I don't know. I might have to go check after this. But like I said, if you guys like this, let us know with a fat comment at the bottom of your screen down below there. Like the video, support us a little bit. We appreciate it. Remember, comment if you like the video, didn't like the video, want more of this, don't want more of this, think the candy will taste good. I don't know. Whatever you want. And if you're new here, subscribe. Even if you're not new here, make sure you're subscribed. We got 3 videos coming out a week. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So, look forward to that. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always...
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Fa la 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 la.